Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I was looking for a recipe for a wrap, roti, tortilla, and flatbread all rolled into one. I wanted it to taste really good, so good that it would taste amazing on its own. I didn't want to use psyllium husk and I didn't want it to have that chewy texture. So I managed to bring out this recipe and let me show you what it looks like. I made a little wrap with it. You see that? It's come out really, really good. I think you're really going to love this one. And that's my little Snickers. Come here. Yeah, say hello to everyone. Bite it. Bite it. That's his little treat. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with this amazing recipe. We take a little ninja or a blender and crack in 3 eggs into it. And next we are going to put 1/4 of a cup of cream. Any cream will do, heavy whipping cream, single cream, double cream. Next I'm putting 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. You can use any other milk of your choice, and the recipe calls for half, but you put in 1/4 first to check the consistency. Now I've put in 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour and just half a teaspoon or a little less than half of xantham gum. In that goes, give it a good blend. And I'm showing you the consistency at this point, and we'll be putting it to rest for about 5 minutes and it will become thicker. And that's when now I'm putting in, after the resting, another 1/4 cup of almond milk into it. Give it a little mix and let me show you the consistency at this point. So now I've taken a pan over the stove and I've sprayed it with a little bit of pan. You can use ghee, olive oil, butter, whatever you choose. I put 3-4 tablespoons of the batter into the pan and immediately start swirling it. It's very important to immediately start swirling it because it starts to cook immediately. And you just cook it on one side just now, don't touch it for the next about 1.5 minutes. And after 1.5 minutes or so, you'll see how easy it is to plop over on the other side, and you carry on cooking it for about another 45 seconds. And that's all there is really to this amazing flatbread, tortilla, Indian roti and wrap recipe. Look at it. I'd like to show you the pliability, how beautifully it's so flexible, and you can use them now for all your purposes that you need a wrap or roti for. Okay, so that I made a little wrap out of it, and that's what that looks like, and it is yummalicious. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell. Bye then.